So please explain the situation to
this
Caroline.
pond will irrigate 1.5 million of water every day.
1.5 million liters
of water every day to the golf course, and it enters every day 1.5 liter of wastewater, and we are taking the regeneration of the water, then we are injecting ozone in the irrigation line, and that's it.
What is the profundo of how's the depth of the lagoon?
Right now the depth is about 4 meters.
4 meters?
We have maybe 1.5 meters of solids.
Okay. And then what is the surface area? Square meter?
That I don't know.
It looks big though. It's more than 1 acre.
But the total amount of water to the pond is about 30,000 cubic meters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Divided by 4. Maybe...
no smell, no sludge, because we have 2 inlets of wastewater.
Yeah.
That one is from the Secrets Hotel.
The Secrets Hotel.
That one is from the municipality. So we have 2. Every day is entering wastewater without any control, you know. Every day, at every hour, we have wastewater, and the system is controlling, even so that the dischargers are not for saying. So I'm saying, when there's people playing, don't discharge. Do it in night or do it early in the morning. But when the players are here, don't discharge. And so because they are discharging at every hour, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm trying to make a flow there to have more efficiency on the pond. When
I saw the first video, it was full of floating. I would say lodos.
Lodos, sludge.
This is nasty.
Yeah.
And now it's all gone. You did not truck out any.
This one is from the bottom.
Lodos, right?
These one are from the bottom.
Okay. Oh,
they start going up, and then
denitrify.
Microbes, they will eat it in here. Maybe by tomorrow there will be no lodo in here, no solids. You know. Yeah. Chemicals from the process of the municipality, and the golf course is taking it, so they will irrigate, and the water goes down because the turf is really sick, you know. So the water goes down, and what is happening right now with the bacteria and the ozone is that the soil is closing. So these guys, when the golf course get to a regeneration, they will use like a 50% less water to irrigate the golf course, because the water that is potable will cure the turf, will cure the soil, and you will need less chemicals and less water for the irrigation every day.